my channel. Today's video is featuring FreeTress Equal Freedom Part 501 in the color 1B. Okay, so this is how the unit looks straight out of the packet. She is a pre-plucked HD lace front synthetic wig. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, a built-in elastic band, and silicone straps. This is how the unit looks on me. Just trying to hurry up because I'm kind of not feeling her. I'm pinning the hair back and going in to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the lace fits my head properly. I start off with cutting 3 sections. I go in lightly with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. This will help it last longer and dry evenly. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds, or you can just let it sit until it turns clear. I go in with another round of the Ghost Bond glue for a better and secure hold. Once the glue gets tacky, I pull the lace down on all sides and press directly with my fingertips. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold. I like to use a comb and blow dryer just so that it spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I did apply my elastic headband. I'm then going to cut that extra lace off so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I go in with the blow dryer on the highest heat setting just so that the lace can melt flawlessly onto my skin. Well, I don't know about this unit, this one is weird. To cut my lace off, I'm going in with the eyebrow razor. I love this method because it gets as much lace off as possible and gives off that zigzag effect for a more natural look. So I'm just giving her a brush. I didn't go in with my hot comb or use any heat for this unit. You can also shift her to the left side or right side only. This unit doesn't specify the length, but I would say she's about 24-26 inches long, and she also is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Not gonna lie, she does fit snug and also ripped a bit while placing her on. She does come in other colors like hazel brown, red rose, and walnut, but she isn't even pre-plucked like the stock card mentioned, so I don't know what that's about. This unit is made perfect for a throw on and go. I try to do some style so I could see for another day, but she's just not my type. The texture is a light yaki, very soft. I did get tingling. She also sheds. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next. Bye!